Hi guys, it's Mrs. Thompson. I just wanted to show you how to use your Kami extension. The district just pushed this out to everybody last week, so even before we went over it, they also did a training on it for us teachers. So this is just what it's supposed to look like when you're accessing your Kami extension through your Google Classroom. Now remember, you have to be in Google Chrome in order for it to work. You cannot be using the Internet Explorer. You shouldn't be using Mozilla for this. Your NEISD Launchpad and the NEISD website works the best through a Google Chrome browser. So you're at your webpage, your Northeast webpage. You go into Launchpad and you sign in. I'm going to use my son's sign in. You type in your whole email address at stu.neisd.net and then your student ID number and sign in. And you're taken to your Launchpad. Now you need to make sure that when you are in your Launchpad and in your Google Chrome browser, when you go up to the right hand corner right here, if you see that letter C, this is Connor's Google Chrome browser. I can change it to Maddie's. I can change it to mine. It needs to be in your Chrome browser. If it's in guest or if it's in your parents or if it's in somebody else's, your extensions on your Google Chrome will not work. Okay, so now we're going to go into Google Classroom. We go Google Classroom, and I've enrolled him into my math class so I can use him for an example. So we're going to Mrs. Thompson's math. You go to your math class. Now some really cool things about Google Classroom, some of you may or may not know. This is everything that you have coming up that's due, all the assignments that have been assigned. Notice if you didn't complete something or turn it in, it is missing. You can go back, click on classwork, and it's divided into topics for you. So week 1 distance learning is all there together, week 1. And then your questions of the day that I've added. Your Google Classroom help. This is where you find how to install your Kami extension. This is also where you have your resources for math and the codes for the classrooms for Khan Academy. Also, how are you using technology? There's all kinds of stuff in this part of your Google Classroom, and then your week 2 distance learning. So I'm going to look at my week 2 distance learning for him. I'm going to come down to an assignment. We'll just say this one. I'm going to click on it, and here's your instructions, your online option, your paper option. So now I'm going to go to his paper option and click on it. You will get a window that looks like this. You need to make sure that you open with Kami. You need to allow Google Drive. You need to click on your account, your student account. You need to click allow, and this might ask you again. Sometimes it does. Okay, so now if you look right here, it says your name. It should say your name. This says Connor Thompson. Now I can say I've worked my problems out on another piece of paper. Now I can do my answers. All I need to go to is markup and use drawing, use the black, write a number. Okay, so that might work with you for some of your touch screens, or you could just click in a text box and say the number is 4 53/100ths. I can make it bigger. I can change the size of the font. I can make it red. I can do all kinds of stuff with this. Now, as you enter your answers in here, it's going to save it. If you look up here, it says saved. Now, when you're done, a lot of you have been saying, it's not saving my work, Miss Thompson, I don't know what's going on. So when you go to turn in, right here where it says, it has the save disk and it says turn in, you click it, okay, and you look at it, save now, one more time to make sure that it's saved. It's loading. Now it's all saved, and I click Turn In, and it's saving to your Google Drive. And it takes you back to the classroom, and it says turn in your work. One attachment will be submitted for week 2. Turn in. Okay, so there you have it turned in. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from my side. So I'm going to close out this stuff, and I'm going to log in with my teacher view. So I'm going to sign him out. Okay, close this, and I'm going to sign in. Okay, I'm going to erase his email. I'm going to put mine in, because now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you turn it in. Okay, so now I'm in my Launchpad. That's my picture, my name, my profile, going into my Google Classroom as a teacher view, making sure that that's me, yes. Okay, I'm going to go to Ms. Thompson's Math, going to classwork, or I can even just go to people. I'm going to find my Connor. There he is. Okay, I'm going to look at what he turned in right here. There's his PDF. I open it up, and there's his work. So this is what it looks like from the teacher side. It tells me that he turned it in. There's the work saved. It saves automatically. I can make a comment on it. I can return it. I can write on it. That's what it is, guys. So try to use the Kami extension. The district has encouraged us to do that to help you with assignments. So please let me know if you have any other problems. I hope this helps.